You can do a really good reality model as a beginner. This was my second shot, first time in a couple years, and I was curious to see. I had some bunch of utilities. I was curious to see how it would show up. Those yellow frames are where I had my camera, which way I was pointing, and I took about 300 shots. This took all of 5 minutes to do. Um, I'd recommend being more regular. I just wanted to see how the utilities worked, and I didn't think it'd be a really good overall model. Turns out it's a really good overall model. Uh, so take a bunch of shots, make sure there's overlap, dump it into ContextCapture. Like I said, it took about 5 minutes to shoot, 10 minutes to get into ContextCapture, and then when it came out as a 3MX file, I referenced it into my drawing just as a regular reference file, and it was off to the side, rotated and scaled, so I just did a reference move. I did a reference rotate, 3 points to line that up. The front wall there, it's too big, so I had to scale it, so I used a 3-point scale so that the image, not image, 3D model, was the same size as my drawing. Now if you get hard copies and hard points from survey and all that, you can add that. There's training on that, but you get a 3D reality model that easy. Do it yourself, it's awesome.